Cooking your recipes on an induction cooktop may require an adjustment period because it often preheats and cooks faster than other cooking techniques you've used before. Induction cooking is quicker because your cookware is in direct contact with the induction burner. Only the pan that is in contact with the burner is hot, and not the burner itself. I recommend checking on the food often and to use all of your senses. Typically, your preheat times and cook times are faster. Replicating your favorite meals can be achieved with some practice, and in time will be done faster on your induction range. Pan size is important. Choosing a pan that is too big for the burner's diameter can prevent you from seeing the indicator light on the glass surface. The indicator light illustrates that the pan and burner are engaged in cooking by becoming solid red. If the light is flashing, the pan is not suitable for induction cooking or is the wrong size for the burner. Not being close to the center of the burner will also impact cooking performance. If a pan is removed while cooking to add an ingredient, for example, the burner may shut off because no pan is detected on the burner. Also avoid using pans with a heavy handle on one side. This unbalanced pan could cause the burner to shut off as it is not in flat direct contact with the cooktop.